Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter Power Boost full hybrid engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, bed utility package, tow and haul package, and the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a bed liner with this vehicle as well, with a tailgate step. We do get mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board with mud flaps on the front, side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicated, blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we do get this lovely black hood deflector with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, front park sensing, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with a nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system, cup holders and storage, rear vents, 12 volt, and some outlets for charging or whatever you need. You do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a powered driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Got your lights, gas cap, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 25 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get, if I can get to it, my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have a gear select that is collapsible with tons of storage, wireless charging, more outlets down there, storage, cup holders, all that jazz. You do get your interior work surface, which you can put your laptop here, your food, totally up to you. We do get storage underneath as well. You have your drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate. Got some outlets on the side here with upper and lower storage. You got storage on the dash as well, and our features for our powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. You got your park chimes that you can turn on or off. And here you have your audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls as well. Your navigation. Fave apps such as messaging, email, ProPower Onboard, driving assist, all that jazz. And any apps you may download will show up here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings right here as well. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB40629, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.